In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add line numbers to a Microsoft Word document. So here are two documents side by side. The left one has line numbers and the right one doesn't. So I'm just going to show you how to add line numbers to this right-hand document. So click on the document, go over to Format, select Document, and it'll bring up a window. And there are two tabs. There's a Layout tab and a Margins tab where you can affect the margins. But we want the Layout tab. And look through the different sections, and down here at the bottom is line numbers. So you want to click on that. And it brings up this, so you want to click on Add Line Numbering, and it gives you all kinds of different options, including restarting the numbering on each page, restarting for each section. I want you to click on Continuous. And Continuous will continue line numbers all the way throughout the entire document. And then that's it. Just click OK. And then click OK again. You can ignore that. And you can see line numbers have been added. So it'll be continuous. As you can see on this document, it'll continue on from page to page to page. Thanks.